The question now is, what's our rodeo weather going to be like? I mean, typically, it's
usually
cold and wet.
Yes. A couple of beautiful days last year, and it's going to get really warm in just a couple of days.
I'm kind of confused with the weather, guys. We're hitting like 80 tomorrow, 80 for the next 7 days. We do have some cooler weather to talk about, but not until like...
That's toasty for this time of year.
I know, right? We're usually like right around 65 for our average high, but next 7 days, 80 to 81.
Wow.
Some models suggest even 85 degrees. So lots of changes and lots of spring weather on the way for San Antonio. Speaking of, welcome to February. January was pretty cold when looking back at the data. Now, historically, January generally produces about 2 inches of rain, 1.96. When you average out the data, we only picked up 1.14. And our average temperature from the morning lows to the daytime highs was right around 48.5 degrees colder than average. Now, what we're tracking is some winter warmth. Matter of fact, we're saying goodbye to winter for the next 7 days. Between pretty much tomorrow and next Saturday, daytime highs running 15, 20 degrees above the winter normal. And you can see it's not just us, right? Anywhere from New Mexico to Florida, the Carolinas, all above average warmth. Our next cold front likely around next Sunday, next Monday, and we'll talk about that in detail in a second. First, Calaveras Lake looking great on this first day of February. 73, feels great outside, 72 at the airport. Humidity is down, south winds at 8 miles an hour, and temperatures are pretty uniform. Anywhere from the upper 60s to the lower 70s around our area, but look at this, near 80 already at Pearsall, same thing at Cotulla at 78, about 10 degrees cooler at Beeville at 68 degrees. All right, here's the forecast. Clear skies. If you have any late night plans this evening, maybe a light jacket because with low humidity, temperatures will fall off pretty fast. By tomorrow morning, middle to lower 40s in the entire area. For your Sunday, going to be another beautiful one, but it's the first day we start eclipsing the 80s. I think we hit about 81 degrees tomorrow. Around 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon as we wrap up the weekend. Southwest winds very light, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Overall pretty calm, sunny, and just on the warmer side. Again, about 15 degrees above average. Clear skies, and watch what happens between now and about next week. High pressure will be our main player. It pushes down on the atmosphere. What that's going to mean is just clear skies and a lot of spring-like warmth. Now, by Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see some additional cloud cover, some morning fog, maybe 1 or 2 coastal showers, but overall, generally quiet between now and next weekend. And if you're wondering, well, when does winter come back? It's not until next Sunday. Another push of some cold air moves in. That'll drop highs from the 80s on Saturday and Sunday to probably the 50s next Monday and next Tuesday. So here it is on the 14-day forecast. 81 tomorrow, 82s for the next several days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This chance at rain, primarily morning fog, some morning drizzle, but the afternoons should clear out. 83 Thursday and lower to middle 80s by Friday, Saturday, and our next cold front right around February 9th and February 10th here in San Antonio. That'll drop highs below normal, back down to the 50s on Monday and near 60 on Tuesday.